Okay, so I got this side all buttoned up. I'm not sure about where I want the coilover, but I'm just gonna try this for now. And before you put, if you have aftermarket tires on, make sure, well, I always do anyways, put the hub centric, you know, little spacer thing on so it fits on there correctly. And yeah, so putting on this wheel, hopefully, I don't know, I might have to adjust that coilover, I'm not sure, but get this side done, make sure all the nuts are tight back there, put that wheel on, and we'll go to the other side. So I got everything tightened up, got the wheels on. I went underneath and kind of put up the exhaust because I don't have all the exhaust on yet. Just have kind of the down pipe and like the cat delete pipe. Got everything out of the way, so now put it on the ground and hopefully move it out and just let it warm up a little bit. I'm not sure. I'm just stoked to get it on the ground tonight. Gotta get back here so I can, oh, it doesn't look that bad with those wheels on there. I was trying to get some other wheels, I just haven't had time to go get them, but these I took off another Mark II I have that I don't really drive. Needs a couple of things. Actually, they look pretty good on there. Huh. So, gonna try to get the back end out a little bit more and then start it up. I bled the clutch, I bled the brakes, so hopefully, you know, they're gonna work. The emergency brakes, I don't have those hooked up. There's a lot of stuff I still need to do. I almost forgot. The first thing you wanna do when you get a new project on the ground is tighten your axle nuts. So I'm gonna torque those to pretty much, I don't know, like if you have a regular torque wrench like I do, pretty much put it on the max setting and torque these things, you know, as hard as possible. I don't know, I can't remember. It's like 196 newtons, maybe 175 foot-pounds of torque. So I don't know. Mine does not go up to that anyway. So I just put it on the max and then tighten these things. No way. As tight as I can get them, unless I get a big pull, but it's the same thing I did with my 24 valve. I'm sure it's going to be fine. Maybe I'll just check one more time. So my alignment, I tried to line it up straight, but looks like it's off pretty good. problems, that's for sure. Sounds like my flywheel or my clutch. When I engage the clutch, that noise goes away when I let it out. It's like something's hitting on something. Man, so I might have to take off the transmission. Oh my gosh. I have no brakes. So, things to look into, but on those bombshells, it's time to end the video. I'll see you guys next time.